Next will be another testing stage. Production workers will part of the needle that has been sharpened, pack it up, and use forceps to flatten the tail end of the original membrane of the needle tube. And we're going to pull a few needles out of this bag. Sampling, conducting testing. This time, the first measure is how much the needle is worn away, and then we use a micrometer to measure the outside of the needle. Then the gilt silicone is inserted into the inside of the needle tube, measuring inner diameter, and check whether there are burrs and other defects inside. And then you pick up the whole bundle and you examine it. Observe whether there are any irregularities in the needle tube. All this testing works was done with the help of a microscope, enough to see the fineness of the inspection work. After the needle is qualified, the worker will put it on an automated assembly machine. At this time, the needle tube will be combined with the corner. The corner is used to connect. Key components of syringes and syringes. After the gusset and needle tubes are assembled, all the needles. It also needs to be put into a plastic sleeve by the machine. And finally, the instruments. The syringe will be removed from the assembled machine and put it in the finished product box. And then a single proper syringe is produced. With the development of the times, medical technology has also advanced by leaps and bounds. A syringe is one of the most common medical devices. More thoughts. Considering some patients who feel fainted by needles and patients who require long-term injections. Current syringe. Your goal in needle-free. For example, the current microneedle sticker. The microneedles used in the tablets are very small, basically invisible to the naked eye, and it avoids pain when it penetrates the skin. Or jet injection. Directly through the pressure jet principle. Penetrate the fluid needle into the skin. But the number of syringes with syringes is still the most. I don't know. Guys, after learning how syringes are produced, is there any hygiene and safety of needles? More at ease.